How are you? Welcome to Wealthy Coin again. Khaby has just bought 690 billion Shiba Inu crypto murder. Khaby, the 22-year-old social media star, was born in Senegal. During the pandemic, he lost his job and began making TikTok videos. He became the guy who was followed by the most people on the popular social media app. Khaby is now a brand spokesperson for Binance because he has 149.5 million fans. In this movie, we'll talk about how Khaby just bought 690 billion Shiba Inu crypto massacre. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecast and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. The Shiba Inu is a popular substitute for whales. Experts say it's not enough to just stay alive. Shiba Inu's creator, who goes by the name Hitoshi Kazama, has said something about the project's failure to release Shibarium for public beta testing. As promised, the developers of the Layer 2 network said that alpha and general beta testing of Shibarium would start by the end of the third quarter of 2022. In a statement last month, the company said that Unification's advice work with Shibarium is still going well and that the fourth alpha and public testnets are still planned for the end of the quarter or soon after. The news made the Shiba Inu community happy, and many people hoped that the team would keep its promise. But the Shibarium public test did come out when planned. One of the people who belonged to the main Shib token channel on Discord asked why the Shibarium public test hasn't been released yet like it was supposed to. We are already in the fourth quarter, and you guys are still talking about the third quarter, so what's happening? Someone asked. In answer to the question, Kusama said that the date was given by its partners, not by the Shiba Inu team. Kusama says that giving dates to figure out when a project will actually start is not like the dog-themed project. In answer to the question, Kusama said, "Actually, we haven't said anything." However, a friend of ours said that the public beta would be out in the third quarter of 2022 or soon after. Even though Kusama thinks the planned date made sense at the time, he made it clear that Shiba Inu does not give times. Shibarium is an important part of the Shib environment, and it will help the Shiba Inu lose its title as a meme coin. Once the Layer 2 network goes live, all Shiba Inu related projects, such as Shib Metaverse, Shibushi, the future stablecoin Shiba Eternity, etc., will be moved to Shibarium. Many people were interested in the crypto mode story about how William Bill Cipher turned a collection of rare Apple iPods into an estimated $1 million, but not because of how much money he made. Instead, they were more interested in what the collector planned to do with the money. The person from Augusta, Georgia, wanted to put a lot of money into cryptocurrency. Back in June, the crypto coins that the person who made them wanted to buy were Polygon, Ethereum, Shib, and Safe Haven. Since then, all of these have lost some of their value. But because iPod King is on the road, he hasn't made his full leap yet. Here is a talk with William that no one else has. And now, almost 4 months later, I'm thinking about the digital currency area. Cypher or I bought Shib and Bitcoin. I'm a multi-millionaire for sure. Why do you want the Shiba Inu token Cypher logo so badly? I don't think another token has as much support from the normal person as Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. And as someone who studied marketing for over 7 years, I know there's always money in a brand that's become this big. I think that any Web3 project can connect with Shib's community and do well. And because this is such a clear chance, all Shiba Inu needs is one brilliant project to connect with their millions of users and make the token a part of American culture, and the price will go through the roof. 2 times a day, a broken clock is right. Shiba Inu only has to be right once to be stuck in the crypto, NFT, Web3, or Metaverse areas for good. But this is only what I think. Everything is a risk. When it comes to business, everything is a risk. You said earlier that you get your crypto news from Reddit and YouTubers. Which news sites do you follow? I pay close attention to subreddits on Reddit like Cryptocurrency, Crypto Coin Ops, Ethereum, Trading Ship Army, a Doge Community, and Solana. There are a lot of personal stories told that can help anyone grow. Now, let's talk about the main point. According to reports, Khaby, a young social media star, is worth more than $10 million and gets about $740,000 from a single TikTok video. Khaby is now a global brand advocate for the global cryptocurrency exchange. The exchange will work with Khaby on exclusive NFT collections and spread the word about Web3 to get more people to use it sooner. Ronaldo was also hired as a brand spokesman for Binance. It is thought that the celebrity will make around $10 million this year. Even though his first video was shared in 2020, he has grown very quickly in less than 2 years. Khaby is said to make over $400,000 a year on average from brand-sponsored videos. He has put money into real estate, businesses, and software companies. Fortune said that Khaby spends a lot of time every day learning English. He watches American films and cartoons and works with a teacher for an hour. The star of the app TikTok has said that his next goal is to become an actress. After living in Italy since he was 1 year old, he was given Italian citizenship last month. At this crazy rate of growth, his net worth and TikTok account should grow by a factor of 100 in the next year. He thinks that quiet responses are universal language. Even though there is no talking in his videos, only facial expressions, they are very famous on social media apps. Based on price data, Shib started trading at 1,377 cents. When it was added to Binance, the asset's value quickly went up by a lot. The Shib's price went up by about 114% in 24 hours after the selling news came out on May 10. There has already been some marketing talk about that Shib. In April, the well-known Wall Street investor Jordan Belfort backed the stock. Still, the dog-themed joke coin got a big boost from being on Binance. As soon as Binance listed Shib, it became a worldwide craze. When Fortune magazine wrote about the digital wave on September 9th, it got the attention of Wall Street. Shib was added to Coinbase, which gave it the famous Coinbase effect. On that day, the price of a Shiba Inu coin went up by 5%, and it kept going up as more e-commerce sites added the coin as a way to pay. On November 1, Shib passed Dogecoin as the best joke coin on the market, which was at its all-time high. Shib's price hit 8,845 cents. Shiba Inu hasn't had much to do in the last few months. Its price has gone down, just like the prices of all other important coins because of the market drop. Still, there are a lot of good things ahead. The most famous thing is that Shiba Inus are welcome at AMC, a famous entertainment company. Adam Aron, the CEO of AMC, said this month that the company plans to accept Shiba Inu and Dogecoin as ways to pay at their movie theaters. The change is scheduled to start in a few weeks. It is part of a larger plan by AMC to add cryptocurrencies to its payment system. Shiba Inu's entry into the metaverse seems to be another big step forward for the dog. Shiba Inu developers said in January 2022 that they were working on the Subverse, a metaverse project for their environment that would be immersive. Analysts don't know much about the metaverse yet, but they think